This 1967 Aston Martin DB6 is a rare and desirable high-performance Vantage model with a 5-speed manual transmission. As you can see, it's burgundy with black leather interior and a left-hand drive. Car runs and drives well, but would benefit from servicing at this time. Very straight car. Paint is not perfect, but presentable. There are some dents and flaws in the body. Paint is not high quality. Interior, overall presentable, but the back seats have a few tears in them. Front seats are good. Again, it's mechanically sound, runs and drives, would benefit from servicing. But this is an incredibly rare, collectible, and desirable Vantage DB6 5-speed. It's matching numbers, so it retains its original matching numbers, original engine with triple SU carburetors, 325 horsepower. Just really an exciting find.